How to fix Snapchat picture quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat picture quality easy and quick on any Android phone. First open Snapchat and now click the settings icon here in the top corner, click on it and then scroll down until you find the data saver, and now all you need to do just disable it. You will find it like that, and just click disable, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to update your Snapchat. Just click Snapchat here and click update, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.